This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor. NASA has done many amazing things in the over 60 years that it has existed. It's landed people on the moon, created an orbiting space station, and sent robotic spacecraft into deep space. And now it's continuing its graphic novel series. The Space Agency has released its second issue of the graphic novel, First Woman. First Woman is the story of Callie Rodriguez, the fictional first woman to explore the moon. You can download the PDF of the novel in English or Spanish, listen to the audio of it, read it online, or get the app for your phone or other device to explore it interactively. There are lots of cool interactive missions and facts on the website. Downloads are available at www.nasa.gov/CallieFirst, CallieFirst. Here's Atlanta News 11 summarizing the novel.
NASA has announced the release of a new graphic novel series that chronicles the first woman to go to the moon. The novel, titled First Woman, NASA's Promise for Humanity, centers around the fictional astronaut Callie Rodriguez and captures how passion, dedication, and perseverance allow us to turn our dreams into reality. The series mirrors NASA's future plans to send a woman to the moon this decade through the Artemis program. You can download the first issue for free online. And I encourage you, if you have a young girl, please download that issue. It's like a comic book strip, so you can show them all of that. And it is just incredible to see that. And it's mirroring the future of space travel, where women and people of color are part of that future.
Astronaut Mark Rubio talks a little bit about the project and answers a few questions about it from children.
I'm very excited about NASA's first interactive graphic novel, First Woman. It follows the story of Callie Rodriguez and her trusty robot, RT, as she follows her dreams and grows up to become the first woman on the moon. Callie's story is fictional, but with NASA's Artemis mission, some of my fellow astronauts will soon become the first woman and the first person of color on the moon. I really enjoyed this story because, like Callie, my upbringing helped shape who I am today. Callie was lucky to have a few important people in her life who inspired her. Her dad was a major influence and encouraged her to chase her dreams, and her teacher encouraged her to love math and science by introducing her to space camp. This is such an exciting time for humanity, especially for you, the Artemis generation. You will be the first generation to live and work on the surface of the moon in the future. Now, I'd love to answer some of your questions. The first question comes from Ellie from Madison, Alabama.
Hi, my name is Ellie and I'm from Westminster Christian Academy. And I want to know, are robots like RT real?
Well, Callie built RT when she was in college, and he joins her on the surface of the moon. NASA is working on robots that will help with tasks like building habitats, digging up ice from the moon's surface, and crawling through caves and places too dangerous for humans. You can explore some of these technologies by scanning the QR codes throughout the novel. Our next question is from Kennedy from Washington, D.C.
Hi, my name's Kennedy and I'm in Sidwell Friends Lower School. I'm in 3rd grade. My question is, what are you most excited about in exploring the moon?
The thing I'm most excited about exploring on the moon are craters and lava tubes. They can provide us with possible sources of fuel for our spacecrafts and give us protection from things like radiation and space debris. And our last question is from Reyes from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Hi, my name is Reyes and I'm in 3rd grade at Coronado Elementary School. My question is, how can I become an astronaut when I grow up to go to the moon?
Astronauts come from a variety of backgrounds. Callie, like several astronauts, began her career as a teacher. I began as a helicopter pilot and a doctor in the Army. And if you follow your dreams, great things can occur, like exploring and flying in space. You can read more about Callie and explore the novel and interactive resources on NASA's website or by downloading the mobile app on a phone or a tablet. You can even take a tour of the International Space Station and learn more about the experience that we do here in space. I hope you enjoy reading about Callie and her adventures on the moon. I can't wait to read the next issue coming soon.
NASA Deputy Administrator Pam Melroy, one of the only 2 women to command a space shuttle, said, "The story of Callie captures how passion, dedication, and perseverance allow us to turn our dreams into reality. Callie, much like myself, grew her skills, seized learning opportunities, and overcame challenges to become a NASA astronaut. Her diversity is reflected in our own astronaut corps today. It's important we see ourselves as explorers among the stars." The graphic novels highlight NASA technologies for traveling to, landing on, and exploring the moon and can be read online or downloaded. NASA also has First Woman apps that can be downloaded for Apple or Android devices. There are a lot of really interesting specials on the website, and I highly recommend that you check it out. Again, it's nasa.gov/CallieFirst, CallieFirst. Derek Wang, Director of Communications for Space Technology Mission Directorate at NASA headquarters in Washington, said, "We crafted this graphic novel and digital ecosystem to share NASA's work in a different and exciting way. We set out to make the content both engaging and accessible. From space fans of all ages to hardworking educators looking for new ways to get students excited about STEM, we hope there is something for everyone to enjoy." And for me personally, I think that there definitely will be. It's a pretty cool project. Thank you for joining me. Remember each Tuesday to join David Denault for America's Return to Space, and join me every Friday for America in Space. From the Florida Space Coast, I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor for About Space Today.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends, and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.